Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete contacts on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Now, if you want to delete a single contact, just tap and hold on the contact which you want to delete and select Delete Contact. Then select Delete Contact, and by doing that, you will delete the selected contact on your iPhone. Now, if you want to delete all the contacts or multiple contacts at the same time, just tap and hold on a single contact with two fingers, then swipe down and select all the contacts which you want to delete. Now, just tap and hold on a single contact, then select Delete Contacts. Select Delete Contacts, and by doing that, you will delete all the selected contacts on your iPhone. And this is how you can delete contacts on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.